Welcome to the Essential Genealogy Academy. Are you tired of precious family stories fading away with each passing generation? At Essential Genealogy Academy, we've created courseware to change that. With our WeAre Basics course using the WeAre.xyz platform, you'll go far beyond just names and dates. You'll learn how to create richly detailed ancestral trails, connecting places, stories, and people in ways that bring your family's story to life. Imagine mapping your grandmother's journey from England to Australia. You'll add interactive maps, treasured photos, and narratives that capture her experience in vivid detail. You'll tell her stories in blog posts to appeal to your younger generations. We will guide you step by step to craft beautifully structured articles and place entries, even if you're brand new to digital archiving. You'll also master tools like the table of contents, subtree diagrams, and map box features, keeping your research organised, accessible, and engaging. Join the family historians who've transformed their research into a living legacy. Start with the basic steps to family history archiving, which launches today, August 15, 2025. Discover how your family story truly deserves to be told.